Hello everyone looking for a tasty, on-the-go snack that actually works. Meet Pure Protein Bars, gluten-free, high-protein snacks crafted with a premium whey protein blend. High-quality protein 19 to 20 grams per bar to support lean muscle and strength. Low in sugar, just 2 to 3 grams per bar. Gluten-free, fitting easily into gluten-sensitive diets. These bars aren't just tasty, they are designed for real life. Perfect as a pre or post-workout fuel to power your efforts or aid recovery. With around 180-200 calories, they strike a great balance between energy and nourishment. What's inside matters. Pure protein bars are crafted with whey protein isolate and concentrate, delivering a powerful amino acid profile to build or preserve lean muscle. Despite being low in sugar and gluten-free, these bars satisfy hunger effectively thanks to their protein-packed composition that keeps you energized and feeling full longer. Simple animated graphics of muscles, reduced inflammation, healthy recovery. Backed by the science of whey protein, whey is highly bioavailable, supports muscle growth and repair, helps reduce muscle loss, and even may promote recovery and healthy inflammation response. A few quick tips. For absolute gluten safety, double-check if the packaging includes a may contain wheat or shared facility note due to possible cross-contamination. While these bars are convenient and nutritious, don't rely on them as meal replacements every day. Mix in whole foods to keep your diet balanced. In summary, Pure Protein Bars deliver 19-20 grams of high-quality whey protein, are gluten-free, low in sugar and easy to carry, ideal for on-the-go fueling, workouts, or whenever you need a quick, satisfying bite. Try Pure Protein Bars today. Fuel smarter, snack stronger. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart snack breakdowns.